What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janos, creator of Pinoy Tech Dad, and today we're going to be checking out the Xiaomi Mi 10 Youth Edition, also known as the Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite Zoom. Is that right? You know what, I'm really getting confused with the naming conventions that Xiaomi is putting out there. But anyway, whatever is in the title, that's the phone that we're going to be talking about. First of all, we're going to be unboxing this, and I'm going to be giving you my quick impressions on the Xiaomi Mi 10 Youth Edition, as well as some camera samples. Looking at the box, we have a very youthful, very fun looking box. This is not your typical Xiaomi Mi 10 box where you have a very plain looking box with the Mi 10 branding. What you have here is a very colorful box with the artwork. So opening up the box, you can see that we have a document sleeve right here. And inside of this document sleeve, we have a free jelly case. So this is a very soft case. This is just going to be something you can use for the meantime while there's no available cases yet. So this can help prevent scratches, but this is not going to be able to protect your phone from any impact if ever you drop this. And in addition, we have stickers. So these are probably Xiaomi's attempt to connect with the younger generation, I guess. Anyway, right underneath the document sleeve, we have the phone itself. And we're gonna put that aside for now and check that out again later. First, let's go ahead and take a look at what else is inside of the box. So we have here a USB Type-C charging cable. And then we also have the charging brick. So this is a 20-watt fast charger. And let's go ahead and check out the phone itself. So we have here the Xiaomi Mi 10 Youth Edition, and this is in the blue colorway. And we have a quad camera setup right here. And the main draw of this phone is its 48 megapixel main camera. But in addition to that, you have an 8 megapixel telephoto lens that can go up to 5 times optical zoom and up to 50 times hybrid zoom. So this is the same capability as with a Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. And I'm going to be showing you some samples from that 50 times zoom. And what's really surprising about the Xiaomi Mi 10 Youth Edition is that it comes with a Super AMOLED display. So it has a 6.57-inch Super AMOLED Full HD display. It is protected by a Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Also, did I mention that the display is also HDR10 Plus capable? Specs-wise, this is a very interesting phone because it's estimated to cost less than $400. I mean, the value that this phone provides is shocking. So the Xiaomi Mi 10 Youth Edition has a Snapdragon 765G processor, and this sits a little bit below flagship level, but a little bit higher than the Snapdragon 720G, the Snapdragon 730G. So performance should be a lot better than your Snapdragon 720G phones. So if you're looking for something that's more powerful than your mid-range, but not quite flagship level, this should be one of your top choices. Anyway, I was curious at how the Snapdragon 765G performs in terms of gaming. So I went and tested this on 3 popular games. So that's Mobile Legends, Call of Duty, and PUBG. And I maxed out the graphics settings to whatever is the highest available graphics settings for all 3 games. And I had 0 issues playing with those games at their maximum available graphics settings. It was just a very smooth experience for me gaming on this. And I had no heating issues at the back. So it's really good. So yeah, overall, I was really impressed with the performance of the Snapdragon 765G. So if you're looking for a phone in the mid-range level that has a 5G connection and that has AMOLED display, and add to that you have a 50 times zoom capability, I mean, this is just insane value for a phone coming from Xiaomi. But again, take note, I still need to test this for a few more days to be able to give out my full review. So this is just my initial impressions, so take this with a grain of salt for now. Anyway, that's gonna be it for my quick initial impressions on the Xiaomi Mi 10 Youth Edition. If you have more questions about this phone, do drop them in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell button so you can watch more videos like this in the future. That's it for today, guys. Keep safe and have a great day.